So 2004 Honda VTX 1300. Clutch cable broke on me the other day. Been waiting on it to come in, and finally come in today. Actually come in a day early. Was happy about that. So we got it in, and now we're gonna see about getting it installed real quick. I already pulled the old one off and got it laying here in the floor. So we'll see how complicated this is. Hopefully it's not too bad. I got it close to what I think is pre-adjusted to the adjustment right here compared to that one. Now I'll probably have to play with it a little bit, but we'll see how that does. That in there. Twist it around. Probably better to hit the other end up first. Get all these lined up real good. Line that back up now because I had the adjustment out too far. I'm not able to just pop it around like I thought I would. So see if that may get that back around there now. Try to do it pre-adjusted, but you know, things just don't ever go the easy way. But we'll get it figured out one way or another. Still connected. Alright, now and that's it. I believe it's on there. Got a couple of zip ties put on, connect everything up, and that should have it done. Got to tighten the nuts down real quick, but that won't take but just a second. Just ready for a good bath and go for a ride. Now, got to give a shout out to Jet Ski International out of Dover, Florida. They, like I said, got me my cable a day early before the shipping even said it was supposed to be here, so got me back on the road and going quick. We'll see y'all on the road soon, guys.